Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact bulb type, 194, 921, or an LED replacement, because fit and polarity differ. Once done, disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts. This is quick and essential. Next, remove the trunk or bumper access cover and keep fasteners in a labeled container. You'll need a clean workspace and a flashlight. These small steps prevent mistakes. Make sure to wear gloves so skin oils don't damage a halogen bulb. You pull the old bulb, twist and pull or release the retaining clip while observing how the socket clips into place. Then inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion or melted insulation. Use electrical contact cleaner and a small brush if present. Once clean, insert the new bulb, making sure LEDs have correct polarity. Swap plug orientation if it doesn't light. Test power briefly with the battery connected. Confirm brightness, and that reverse gear triggers the light. If steady, proceed to reassemble. You finish by securing the housing and all fasteners to their original positions. Don't over-tighten plastic clips. Reconnect the battery negative terminal, then put the car in reverse to test the backup light under normal conditions. If the new light is dim, flickering, or not working, check the ground connection first. A poor ground is the most common issue. Make sure the harness pins have continuity and that LED bulbs have a built-in resistor or compatible load. Replace or repair wiring as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.